Okay, we're headed to Springfield.
Oh, I don't even know what to say. We're trying our new Hero 9 GoPro, and I don't have any idea how this is picking up or anything. I don't know. But we are headed to Springfield, to Scheels Sporting Goods, to pick up a goodie for me and maybe for my wife. We'll see how that works out. Maybe. But we're going to pick up a Blackstone 22-inch griddle. And I'm really excited. I've been seeing a lot of cooking things on YouTube, and we are going to go up there and get one of those, and I'm going to try to cook us some good grub.
I'm all for that. You cook, I'll clean.
So join us on our journey. Coming up the Scheels, and I think it's probably the biggest sporting goods store I've ever been to anywhere. What about you?
I love this store.
I do too. You won't believe what's inside.
It's like a trip. It's just a day trip. It's great.
There's like a Ferris wheel and stuff in there. You guys are going to be amazed. Okay, I wanted to give you a perspective about how big this sporting goods store is. It's huge. It's 2 stories, and here it is. My wife caught this huge fish, didn't you, Tammy?
Yes.
It's the biggest bass I've ever seen in my life. I just wanted to show you what we picked up at Scheels today. I wasn't able to do that earlier, but we did get our 22-inch tabletop griddle from Blackstone, and I'm looking forward to cooking things on that. I got the hamburger spatula, and I also got the griddle toolkit. And then I also got the adapter kit. Let me find it here. Also got this propane adapter hose that I can use, so I can use 20-pound propane tanks on it. I haven't got a 20-pound propane tank right now, but I will be getting one of those here in the near future. And we also got, don't know if I'll need it or not, but my wife talked me into it, the basting cover to use with it. So I'm going to unbox all this stuff and get it set up, and then we'll shoot some more video while we're breaking it in. Okay, I got the griddle together and got it lit, letting it heat up, and then we're going to season it. Just thought I'd give you a little picture of what it looks like put together. It isn't a very difficult thing to do. So there's that. Now we'll go on to seasoning it, and I'll start it up here in just a second. Okay, we're seasoning the grill now. Basically what you do is you turn the burners up on high, and then you take 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, canola oil, whatever you want to use, it doesn't matter. And you put it on there, then you take a paper towel with some tongs, and you just wipe it down real good. And once the shine goes off, you do it over and over again till you get the grill seasoned. And that's what we're in the process of doing right now. I was just going to go through this process one time with you guys. You take a tablespoon, and I'm going to fill that with oil. Then you just take your tongs and a paper towel. You pour the oil on your griddle. And you just take your paper towel and just spread it around on your griddle. Just like this. This is the third time I've done this. They say you need to do it until it's shiny. It stays shiny when you do it. So you got to go around all the edges and everything, which I'm kind of doing. It's really hot. Dang. Okay, guys, I think we got the griddle all seasoned up, and I'm going to hang it up for this evening, and tomorrow during the day sometime we're going to cook some smash burgers and stuff on here. So we'll see how that goes. We'll record it and share it with you guys. Now that we got the Blackstone Griddle all seasoned and everything, I'm going to try cooking something this evening. We're going to try sauteing some onions and mushrooms, and then we're going to cook some smash burgers, and we'll see how that turns out. I don't know, I've never cooked on a griddle before, so it's going to be interesting. Okay, I'm putting down a little oil so we can saute the vegetables. Like I said, this is my first try, so we'll see how this works out. Mushrooms and onions on. Man, they smell good. Always love the smell of onions when you cook them. Onions and mushrooms are cooking. Underneath this, lift them up. They're looking like they're turning good and brown. Okay, I'm going to put them over the side. Over here. Okay, put them over to the side. Now we're going to get our buns on and our burgers, and we'll see how that works out. Okay, I got the buns toasting. I've got the butter on for the smash burgers. We're ready to put the smash burgers on and see what happens there. Like I said, this is my first attempt, so hope this all works out. Okay, we're getting ready to smash these. From what I understand, you press down and hold about 10 to 15 seconds on each one. So we're going to give it a shot and see what happens here. we go. They don't take long to cook at all. Let the cheese melt on that one and then we'll be good to go. Okay, this is the ultimate test as to whether this Blackstone Griddle was a success and these smash burgers were a success, is if my wife approves. So we're going to try it here and see what she thinks.
It looks really good.
Okay, give her a shot.
Oh yeah, this is good. Thumbs up.
Oh, cool.
Double thumbs up.
I'm so glad because I wasn't sure what was going to happen.
Very, very good.